Anas. Omo akaza kwa yo mudi. Onipa na okunu no wo Ashanti region. Police for na akasa na brief me. So honorable, what the way is exonerated now. Minimum why this thing happened to stay away a day. But me say, how do I stay away when Anas Kromfo within me, sir, mention my name? Up to a extent, a congressman report to me. Yes. I'm me do Houston in 2019 November. Almost stop me. Say me na makukum ambeswali. That's the report. Now you have the report. You know. Na niya ya womni say. Omo kachira me say. Miminya butre. Na akwano. Your friend Ansu Jiabo. And mu ye privilege. Mu ye privilege. You are the first. A shame before. Mr. Okumasi, your friend Ansu Jiabo. Omo kasa na ni Okum Ameswan. Yes. You are privileged. Make Ansu Jiabo. Ansu Jiabo. Yes. Yes. Ansu Jiabo.
Ana police phone in the mouth side.
Yes. And in the pictures are cheering. Saminya Butre over 1 year. Exclusive. Over 1 year. And my name is up there. And here the sad story they told me. My brother, with him. Almost say, almost in the picture, say some tall guy. Now, anytime one the location, information to Kumasi police, draw no more letter no Kumasi police. Yes, I'm telling you today. The name the police, TNE or Chinamesi Abeba, and I don't give a damn because it's my reputation on the line. Right. Ansu Jiabo, let me repeat again.
Ada for wani guswa usha Syndicate TV. Honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan wapa na atene nkanani abrese kodom. Ezimo okanyina ne se Amis Walia obi yi ni fi udifo obi yi ni fi atasefo asase so a ye de be share papa so no wakunu no enne wodi nipa kunu di abeto abonten. Echiremu de wo so woka na Ghana fo nyina ehu se asem no kro we ye nto sabi de obi di bone a na nipa wapa tene ba bia na de aba be hye no. Samso ana ntokotwan anase akasakasa be ko so monsha ene afi odo ntem no ene ai odo aba na je se odo ba ye de haja for real na as a role model mo mienu no waka omutia bom sisi ano nse na Ghana fo bisa isi asama momoen okobenku na okonifa oyeden waka dizemu anade asem me guest for the day Syndicate other for medine ye ba akopɛ nana ya bia ma frame ever green na kai say de bia na boafo ne so yasene omuni wa ni wo Gisam Company Limited Diaper Hub GH Chef Giver in Salon Evergreen Beauty and Spa me ba so ya Masai ababio me buying so a minute be mommy I only one no Syndicate mommy dollar or to fatherless in any other place or you dear any other now ya sha dear in the video ni dear say honorable Kennedy a compare ko Japan I papa send ya Miss Wali free moi ye dey share papa say wono no wakunu no won say bebe and then what in the kum for na ba beto abonte di okun Amis Wali or na ba beto chemu dia Abrantie Ansu Jiabo I wono no kun and say me dey be borrow mo support see the way me na santo sound so na afia odo ni mo nse budon toko dunje be ko so we to na we ka we secret ni ade aja for real I was so yo mu no role model no ma me aka mo bom azisi an Ghana fo bisa say si asama mu mo nso wakwa say ye hu ba bi ogina so be nkumo say si an no so teni na ngbo foforo akoya say bisa zanze ono so de wogina to kwano wodu Madam Secrecy obe yi nse mo bi nso di ni be bi na ni na ye mo nshanti mame
medaba ya looking sexy wono no da no yiji ni sremu what dey awo somewhere there de nyame ase nyame ade me hoye pa me das mi siesia wa ye mo bibiara happy Monday so atase nyame hwam no nyam kase nyame ntomo nkwandem nyame mma musika se de be abina na obesimi anya kwan na musoma hwe Syndicate series mo atase
na kokon insha obi a ye from free honorable nsema working show video that one team who ne say Ghana for be dia tum se de papa kan yampa sanse do na suspect ne say odwa na we yaba monti se ne be fa
Ayo, before me start, no meto nyum ba ko dia ma Honorable Kennedy Japan. Okay. Tego sisters you must say, ye di nkunim, ye di ko, ye be senedi biom, pam pam, ye di nkunim, ye di ko, ye be senedi biom. Ah, ye di nkunim, ye di ko, ye be senedi biom. Akuchanya mya tisawa ye di nkunim, pam pam. Ah, ebusami de su ha no. Papa di nkunim. Wadi nkunim Honorable Kennedy akompre kwa Japan wadi nkunim. Hwe saasam na papa na kan ayare husem o. Wonim se bepem ne edankrofo tirimu ene nkrofo adwemu se Honorable Kennedy Japan ene ekwa ameswale. All in the name se papa ne kotena ne national TV so eka se ameswale wayi ni picture je to abonti wayese enti emra se ne bae no che se Ghana for entimi ampantu obia apart from Honorable Kennedy Japan na sasem we no na yenu ma edo ne se no na eyarehu ye pa nipa kumo na ya enye izo se wosi obi be ku nipa enye izi wo mo ya mu di bone o mo korobri ni niam nyina no ebi di eduro because if you don't have that spirit in you wontimi ku nipa ni ahwe papa o dwi nipa ho sei papa odo my Ghana youth wo mu sei ni eduowo o kan kre ni eduowo tag ni de be tag papa. Let's put everything aside. Owo jire no mo wo ma Honorable ma e ko like 30 na e baby anani baby beti se yesi me papa ku nipa areho na se ni nyina mu no ye ko underground ni hu se yesi anso di abo e fa say anso ji abo so ono na se ne Honorable Kennedy Japan e kan sa posifo na ma ne sa hinti wono enu eku ameswale a ye de ne atwen
yampa
Honorable na eka enti so Honorable boade na mesin dia metemi boa okay enti so no pa na eku ni dia ene na Ghana fo na Ghana police wo miyehu dia ko because sabe we won say hwe ento wada o ujon koda no da won say Honorable say aye tag eda na so okobe bia na nkrofo hu ni so ewidini but when you within enti to clear the man's name no I am begging the Ghana police say no kura bi da ho ana bibi wo si ehu a wo mfa meto abonti because case we ache na I think say case we ameswale we I think say is get it I don't know say nya 2 years there I think say 2 years mu anya we na say ye di ewo ye di within ye di obi okunipa atagi obi na say susuan pass ehu ni kura na ewo ma what are we waiting for
what are we waiting for
e dey na twan
yamsha de say ampa say Honorable about police ni bidi na police ni no so the blame ni be san bo no so wonim all this while wonim say nipa so mesi na kum ameswali aden watna one dem ge di blame ma
aden watwa na me ka no enti na me di ka say me pa police for ne cho na ya say udi case bi ba bonti na udi bima na say wo hwa wakumem na say wakumem ye clear my heart is clear and now my heart is beautiful. I'm also beautiful. I have a beautiful mind. You have to let people know who you are. Okay. It is a saying that said, "Dia, I didn't na bepe mo ne. Yet me ba mountain. And me can't say any say. Me a politician. But yen sure there, I met swale no microphone bebre na na battle. It wasn't only about Honorable Kennedy Japan. Yeah, Ghana for we should also check there. Sometimes no more kwakwaya ma papa kwesi nyantachi okay wono so ne wato adwamu e ma ne football no no president wono so olusu na djuma on the name of investigative journalist sir Anas mo okay and they should know said they were battling so many people but enam so na buyi nani ba abontinti no obia na dwi kosi so say o ashed baby obia na dwi kosi so say Honorable na de ekunu enti se no kredie bia ba se de omti bi de beto abonti man krofo kakaye no won sambra bonten se omo your report wi a de ntimi hu se sa am se friend se me refi ni din de ansuji abo no so ono na ameswale akwakwa ni bi no ba be kunu anase obi na asoma na yehu because omo investigative journalist for apart from kwesi nyantachi so ye okroma o man krofo lawyers say judges bebre adwuma bomb because Omo ko hono kokoye adwuma kokoye no ko just wo the video beto abonten judges wo mo je bribe akase and lawyers wo mo je bribe bi jim ponche enuane enye easy prisoners wo ko prison ekoye exposure bi wo hono mo say exposure no ma police officers be brelu so adwuma. And it wasn't only about Honorable Kennedy Japan vs investigative journalists and answer Arimiya and so, but it was against a lot of people. But I am saying, Papa never can't see no no kaya de eko yinika. It is a nuclear one more say and so jia boss and one why and we kuni dia papa. Post for no sorry. No more but say make be say because I don't for woman the do honorable no e bi ntia se. E bi so ho ntomo. Yes, ebi so ntomo. Ebi dia werefo senti papa ni betimi ayesa ana wontimi nya sa ebi kura adwen omo dwan omo tanta.
Ibra one na tuko no mamu we ni ntimi so ntimi kika wa de honorable. Esa ntimo mati.
Esa se obia eda bonten. Sa ane honorable ena ku ameswale. So why are they hiding this? We are begging the police. Ye pa yesia di for echo. Sanokra e wo sansem ya ye papa ka di a me patro o ma nokra na di because sansem we ehia yi pa
sansem we ehia yi pa ma ye mu hwehwe mu ahu nokra na for me to abonti nokra di ehunya papa na emu no ye nokra di kan a wo ka nokra na asema ye nokra ba di papa eni na yigina wachi bo kwa go sisa brantie no nso ni baba be gina embranim ye ni baba be gina da kema Ghana fo ni na mu se wono eni odifo Yantoa ensem no eso fi odo ni mo nsa budon haja for you akoma bom masisi anu esi salmon na ni aye na danka edi.
Okay, nana ya enamfo emma nim agudi de bia meka se emma enam se yankasa ya ho se eni brebre ka ye ho nti de bia ye bibia na yadwene ho so ahu me I am very happy say omu nyina there's something we call unity and carbon abom tema omu nyina ma be baako. Now at the end of the day, no, mom can say few odo any say Mosha Budaba be friend so mu jai sama. I was say sama so woman in the woman in your so e kan ni na bom no mo fine. Because obi e hu ne ho so your boss. Hwe Mosha Buda hu ne ho so your boss. E few odo hu ne so your boss. Mona for real aja for hu ne so your boss. Sama hu ne ho so your boss.
Yeah, okay.
But four masters ain't mean nanti man ye. Obi ehu no so a celebrity, obi ehu no so a star. But what do we call friends? And then any adamfo, and then any oyonko, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Adentin na sesanyema we nya wo hono mo a na mo fra mo se enanfofo a mutimi nya baako na obi ti obi na so obi timi fa nche ne yonko. So mo na mo se they are good friends na enkabom na wamama Moisha Budon ene afi odo akabom no say ye clear dia amo kasa mansu bom ni ahonye be se ya dwempa no mo de ba na so mo akasa man bom a na ya se kwekwa na ntatwene ubo akire nya yie ubo anim anya yie ubo da bi anya yie na ya se adwen bi tache ida se ya ni Moisha Budon ene afi aba be kabom aba be baako se de be ya ye be huru sama mumuni baradin sa na be ba because we should all know say sama mumuni ono so oni afi odo woni aja for you enenam say no one man say when we secret and so omo ye bibia they should be careful one more tentan omo ho aside everything obi ehu no so your boss no obi was casting obi and they should stop all this is childish niema no mo ye no they should stop that's omo pen correct pa dia what I do with then omo twen woman kan woman the sama muni ni sama so kan ho na bibia anya okay yeah
enti no sameto wase a sane wo ka say haja for real woni we ntamo ye fine no na just wono kra wonim hu bi wo be ka bom no ono na aka ma bom onim denti wa ka
onim denti wa ka ma bom a onye adwuma na nya yie I don't know so on sama e wo problem dia so on sama ni problem dia e dey no twen what is he waiting for and now for omonom dey be ko wom but we ni pan so ntimi ka se wonya namfo but you have to be careful so anum yie we omonam se me se endi chena endi chedi bi
obi kra ka se wa mantima
Because I see say omunyina no obia fa ne respect her respect is reciprocal. Akwala kra bu na ono so akra ne bebu. Ba wo ye panyin na wo also ye panyin mu akwala no so ye de mo bi. It's one more no they should learn them their mistakes. I think say be bo mo.
I think say ebe bo mo. Na industry mu nto obi ti one father mfo no osi meko na meko me kwan. Me na me bibia make wa.
Enye ye. No enye ye. Nana ya adwuma na ye no ho eye we so we nsa aboa we so we nsa eboa we bi krapo a no akwakonya advert bi yesi o fani ba akọ kan ho e wo so ofre Salma e wo so ofre Efiodo e wo so ofre Haja for real e wo so ofre Moisha Budon so awo you can't do it alone edu be bi obi hia se won so no obi be so obi nsa epagya no e na ba be gina ba bi
obi ehia obi a
obi ehia obi enti ade na mo amutwetwe twam na nti mo problem ne sen mo fa mo pride into sabe esu obi a kwakudo nso kwatia wo sorry obi a kwakudo nso size awodi esu de mo isha di esu de phone na esu enti ade oh
ade not to say in some no so aja for Ghana for kan so oni se wo adwebo fro bi ta chire so ko kan wa bomu usane ante amumu ibeza kwa kwa ba ko kan sim bi no so de to kwa ba and be ya celebration must take place obi an kon be mama ne so ma ana me boa
ye fancy this mami ko no bo Kenya Japan sem no so ehia me yie pa hwe ameswale wu ye na eyade na hadwe yie pa because I always say uyo obi a you stand for the truth ani wo ho uyo obi a kan kura ani wo ho na papa yi wu ye ojayire no mienu ojama be fo na chi tisen Ghana for to omonia yesi ono bo Kenya Japan ana obe kan asem to no won wakunu na se ne se nukura bi ti ase na nukura bi wo ho a ede ne yetwen yesran panifo we ba mi hu Ghana police adwuma wo mo je ye problem twa nukura wo ho a bibi wo ho a e wo se yeso yete a mo mi ente ni bibi ni a wo kire bi se ye ka se bi ase hwe me mai mu ye police se me fe ni agro si ye di se me fe ni agro sa wo ye dan he wo hye bom kura wo me hwe no kura na e de ba be twabonti ni si etumi di one dance here ba e ba ne say ya na se ye tane so bi nkwa image e ba ne say ha adwen enti ese panifo no abosifo mo he ye gimudi ye dom ye tamochi na mom moma ne kura bi e wom bia e meto abonti ne enso ye nye de ye ni nye mo ho ne enso ye mo ho de ru na me di se no Moisha Budon hwan ye Efiodo ne won keka ho mo na mo ha mo ho big life na mo live no mo ha mo ho he ewiase obi sika nso obi botom ukopa osika na mini ho ukopa misika na oni ho no mo ada ne abeya danfo no obi afele big of family but so far as your friends there it's all about you and then Efiodo any Moisha Budon I fire I really love it many aji never no say Salma so woni Moisha enye fine no e we see etimi ka no so mo ye fine na mo nyina mo ye baako na ho ne hu se bibi bia enim boni bia enim aye sa pa dia ne hu se ye hwehwe animu
enye sa pa dia be hu se ye hwehwe animu kabom enfra kuma famu ne mu ejira sem no na edoso ado for ye de djuma de ni na asi nana ya bia ma enimidi evaluate mere mo ames na na wa send the cash waka choose ne obaye ayaje dan best buy wati dan za hadi obaje ti agala tituala
yes
some company limited so yesterday diaper hub G chef give us something evergreen beauty and spa every abani edi zizi an enumre bu ye so ama ma kan se wo penya menum memu apidia unya hwe program wi atobo ase bed 2 minutes bi the party no enumre dia na the evangelist Isaac Bia ne nyom ne nsema wo kan se aseda yemfa na se merade praise into no wo di airport sounds na keke kwashi comforter akato send your voice of alliance betie we have come to you oh Lord YouTube yes
to the Father for listening to my prayer. Ooh, stepping out. Yes I know, and there will be all. received a calling from the mighty God. The one thing I don't joke with it is my prayer. Prayer is everything. Prayer is everything. Come on, pray. Oh, I can't stop prayer. It's in me, it's in me. Oh, Father, everywhere I pray, oh God, listen to me. Ooh, I'm walking over the devils and the enemies. That's why they can't get me. Oh, it's my secret. I'm a prayer warrior. Nothing I'm afraid. Come and pray. Oh, I can't stop prayer. It's in me, it's in me. Oh, Father, everywhere I pray, oh God, listen to me. Ooh, I'm walking over the devils and the enemies. That's why they can't get me. Oh, it's my secret. I'm a prayer warrior. Nothing I'm afraid. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. I do. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. I do. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. I do. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. Praise my everything. I do. Pray without ceasing. Pray non-stop. Child of God, prayer is the only material that can go both supernatural and spiritual realm to destroy the iniquities, to destroy the attention of the evil. Don't cease to pray. That's my secret thing.
We have come to you, oh Lord, with our hearts and with our tears. We are crying, crying, crying for mercy. Many people suffering now, and many people dying now, but we have no other God but you. It's not that easy to live a life like this. It's not that easy.